What is the difference between the Goodnite and other anti-snore pillows? There are tons of anti-snore products in the market, and they all have the same working principle: lifting the head by inflating an air bladder inside the pillow. Let's take a deeper look into the working principle of a lifting pillow to understand the fundamental difference to Goodnite. Here is an example of a lifting pillow. The water bottle with the red stripe shall simulate the human head. As you can see, the air bladder inflates and the object is elevated. In the real world, it means the head is moved toward the chin. This air movement narrows the upper airways as illustrated in the picture with the plastic tube. Now, let's take a look at the working principle of Goodnite. First, the Goodnite has an air bladder. Internal sensors are measuring the exact head position on the pillow. The resulting action of the head on the pillow is a rotational move. Rotating the head to the side straightens the vibrating tissues in the upper airways, and snoring comes to an end. You can experience this in a simulation on your own. Look straight and generate the typical snoring sound. Now rotate your head to the side and try it again. You will find that it is more difficult to generate the sound of the head. You will find that it is more difficult to generate the sound if the head is not rotated. Goodnite does not change the body position and so does not disturb the deep sleep. Goodnite is the only anti-snore pad which rotates the head to the side to reduce or stop snoring.